What if I told you? Most cheap inverter systems don't actually fail because they are low budget. They fail because the budget was spent in the wrong places. A budget inverter build is not just about saving money. It is about making smart compromises so the system still works reliably without expensive components. And this is where most beginners go wrong. They try to copy expensive setups with cheap parts instead of redesigning the system around limitations. Because a real budget system is not a downgraded premium system. It is a different design strategy entirely. At the core of any budget inverter build is the same principle. You need to convert DC battery power into usable AC power efficiently and safely. But in budget systems, every decision must be optimized around three things: cost efficiency, energy efficiency, and simplicity. The first and most important decision in a budget inverter build is the system voltage. This single choice can determine how expensive everything else becomes. Common options: 12-volt systems, cheapest upfront; 24-volt systems, balanced cost; and 48-volt systems, most efficient, but higher initial investment. Lower voltage equals higher current, equals thicker cables, equals more heat, equals more losses. While 12 volts looks cheaper, it often becomes more expensive when you scale up. A smart budget build usually aims for 24 volts as the sweet spot, because it reduces wiring stress without requiring expensive infrastructure. Next comes the inverter itself. A common mistake is buying overpowered inverters, cheap no-name units, or too good to be true high-watt units. A good budget inverter should have true continuous watt rating, basic pure sine wave output, and simple protection systems. Now let's talk about the battery system, which is the heart of any inverter build. In budget setups, batteries are often the biggest compromise point. In budget builds, people often choose lead acid because of cost. A properly sized lead acid system can still perform well if you avoid deep discharges. Lithium batteries are expensive upfront but best long-term. In budget builds, the key is how you size and use whatever technology you choose. Budget inverter systems are not designed to run everything at once. They are designed for essential loads like lights, charging, and small fans. What breaks budget systems is trying to run kettles, microwaves, and heaters at the same time. Budget systems rely on user discipline. Wiring design is one of the most overlooked parts. Keep battery to inverter cables as short as possible and use proper fuses. Bad wiring will destroy even expensive systems, while good wiring can make budget systems surprisingly reliable. Simplicity equals reliability. Turn off the inverter when not in use. Avoid standby losses. In budget setups, wasted energy is equivalent to wasted money. Common mistakes: undersizing cables, ignoring fuse protection, and mixing incompatible batteries. These slowly degrade the system over time. Even budget systems should be designed with future expansion in mind. Leave space for more batteries and use modular wiring. A successful budget inverter system is the most efficient system you can build within a limited budget without sacrificing safety. If you want more deep, practical breakdowns like this on off-grid power, subscribe to Off-Grid Life Tech.